Whether your Canva website is for your business or a personal project, a contact form is a basic necessity that every website should have. I'm Michelle, and I'm going to show you 2 easy ways, plus a bonus 3rd way, to add a contact form to your Canva website with Jotform. Let's go! So the first step in that is to install the Jotform app in Canva. To do that, just head over to the left sidebar and click on Apps. Then you're going to search for Jotform. There's also a chatbot integration as well, which is also free, but we want to use the form one in this case. So you'll find it here with the Jotform logo. Click that. And then at the bottom here, just click on Open. And there it is. That's how simple it is to install the free Jotform integration. However, a really important step is to make sure it's connected with your Jotform account so that the responses are saved. So you're going to click Connect Your Account here at the bottom, and then just click the purple Connect button and follow those prompts to log in. Okay, now I'm going to show you the 3 ways to make a form with the free Jotform integration in Canva. The first and probably easiest way for most people is to start with a template. So you can click on templates here, and Jotform has over 20,000 templates that you can use for different kinds of forms. You can click up here in the search bar and search for a specific kind of form if you want something specialized. On the template that you want, just click the purple Use Template button, and you'll see that'll bring it into your Canva website design right away. So just like with any other Canva element, you can click it, drag it around, resize it by pulling here at the corners, so we can make it fit our website very easily. So now I'll show you what this looks like on the Canva website and how it works, and then I'll show you how you can edit the form fields and customize the form even more. So this was the contact page that we added the form to, and here we go. There's our form. Okay, now I'll show you how to edit the form. So you can just go to your Jotform account at jotform.com, or for really easy access, you can go over here to the Jotform app here on the left sidebar and click on Your Forms, and then you'll see all the forms in your Jotform workspace here, and you can just click the 3 dots here and then click Edit Form. And here we are in your Jotform workspace in this form. So you have full power to edit the layout, colors, branding, fields, everything about how your form works. And I won't cover everything because we have lots of videos covering how to customize your forms and make use of every feature in Jotform. But along here, you've got different elements you can add to your form. So for example, a paragraph field, appointment booking, buttons or checkboxes, all those kind of things are here on the form elements on the left. And then on the right, if you click this paint roller icon, you have the form designer. And this has tons and tons of features, and we have lots of videos about that. But basically, you can pick from lots of pre-made color schemes and layouts, or completely tweak that yourself with your own custom colors and fonts. You can add custom CSS. But yeah, lots of options throughout here for changing the look and style of your form and making it match your brand. And within here, you can also find the submissions to your form. To get into that and view them really quickly, you can do it right here from your Canva website. Click on the 3 dots and then go View Submissions. And then once again, it's going to take you over to your Jotform workspace. And there we go. You can see the test one that I quickly filled out there just to show. So you can always find all your form submissions in your Jotform workspace and download them, export them, do whatever you need with that information. Okay, I promised 3 ways to add a form to your Canva website, so let's do the other 2. The second way is arguably even easier than this way, and that is to create a form completely with AI prompts. Jotform has a ton of AI features to make your life even easier, and one of them is just being able to describe what you want, and Jotform will make the form for you. So to do that, instead of going to the Templates tab up here, you're going to go to Create with AI, and then in the prompt box here, write whatever kind of form you want. I'm going to say form for a dentist office. Needs to have general questions, text box, a calendar, appointment selector. You can be as specific or vague as you want to start with, and you can always edit it later. Just click Generate Form, and there we go. Here's our dental office contact form with all of the fields that we had requested. And I promised a 3rd way to add a Jotform form to your Canva website. So to do that, you can use one of your existing forms from Jotform. And I'm just going to go under Your Forms here at the top. I have this one here, Let's Talk Shop, that I already had in my account before. So I'm just going to click that, and boom, I click it, and there it is in my design. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel every single time you need a form. You can come in here and use your existing Jotform forms without having to make a new one, and use them in multiple places. And all those submissions are going to be centralized in one place for you to use in Jotform. And that's how easy it is to add a contact form to your Canva website with the free Jotform integration. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any more Jotform tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!